Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to
What's
stay
up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have brought a new video for you all, and today we are going to unbox a new thing. I have ordered a Gorillapod from Flipkart. Let's open it. And here is our strand. The packaging is simple. Here is a bubble wrap on it. Let's unwrap it. Now there is again a simple wrapping. Let's take it out. Here is our mobile stand, and here we get the mobile holder. Here we can add a device, and it can be added here. Can be screwed up. Quite tight. Most of the YouTubers use it. It have 3 legs which are flexible. Can work as a tripod. We can twist it and adjust it. It is of black and white color. Its quality is quite good. I liked it. And here is a switcher. When we click it, we can remove it. By clicking on it, we can remove it easily. We can also add our DSLR or other cameras in it. This I have brought for vlogging, as I am going to start vlogs very soon. You will also get food reviews and travel vlogs and etc. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is a very nice product. If you want a tripod and if you are looking for it, you must go for it. And I give you a suggestion that always buy, if you buy a product from Flipkart, always buy the Flipkart assured product.